Soul. What is soul? What is third eye? What is intuition? Today we'll discuss everything. Soul. Every soul have 5 exit point. With every survival, our struggle point increases. We have two kinds of bodies, physical body and the mental body. In mental body, how we process the information and emotions, how we respond to the information based on the past experiences and trauma. So we say we have multi-dimension bodies. Intuition. What is intuition? Intuition is nothing but voice of soul guiding us or you. A strong gut feeling, what to do, what to not do, that is intuition. Third eye. The intuition we get from the third eye. Third eye is the sight of all the senses. Basically our emotional state, sight of the awareness. Third eye chakra located among all the senses. That is, we see, taste, hear, feel, touch. The pituitary gland and the pineal gland. So our third eye chakra connected between our eyes and ears. What is authentic soul? Authentic soul is our soul with which we are born with. That can be captured, that can go missing. That is astral traveling. Occipital gland. Occipital gland located at the tip of the spine, which stores all our memories, experiences of our soul. It has biological function but also has spiritual function. It affects our astral body and it affects our spiritual body. The occipital gland every person is having. The occipital gland located at the tip of the spine. Then what is astral plane? The plane between human body and the spiritual world. The human body has very different vibrational frequency. Now what is God? Everyone has different version of God, but God is just a frequency of the highest potential and that God light that we say as masters. There are masters and we say sated masters like Krishna, Buddha, cherished, Mother Mary, Sai Baba and many. There are so many names, but there are many. They vibrate at the frequency closest to God. God is untouchable. So no matter how much meditation I do, how pure, clean I am, do I become God? No. I become closest to the vibration of God. This is the inner orbit, purest form. Which is the most purest form? Spiritual energy closest to God is angels. Then come sated masters. Then come our spirit guides. Souls in spirits, but not in human form. Like our ancestors, we call them as spirit guides. Ancestors have choice whether they can incognite or do not want to cognate. Sated master comes and learn lesson. Like Vishnu came Rama, Rama came in Krishna. These are the sated masters. Then what is religion and spirituality? Religion is a discipline to the human body and spirituality is connected spirit to divine. That is spirituality.